Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to link Google Assistant to a power button on Honor Magic 7 Lite. So firstly go into settings, now scroll a bit down and go into accessibility features, then go into shortcuts and gestures, Google Assistant, and now either disable or enable wake up with power button. If you would like to still access the power menu after enabling activating Google Assistant, so all you have to do is just press for longer. So if I press for like a second, it's going to activate the Google Assistant, but if I press it for longer, so just like this, it should activate power menu. Yeah, and it did. So that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe.